Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to source for elevating your living spaces. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines natural beauty, tranquility, and a touch of architectural elegance, the fish pond garden design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This isn't just about digging a hole and filling it with water, it's about crafting an immersive experience right in your backyard. We'll explore the essence of these designs, their undeniable benefits, practical decoration strategies, and the key elements that bring them to life. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding of what a fish pond garden design truly entails. At its core, a fish pond garden design is the deliberate integration of a water feature, specifically a pond intended to house aquatic life, within a carefully planned landscape setting. It's more than just a standalone pond, it's a cohesive ecosystem where water, plants, rock formations, and, of course, fish, coexist harmoniously. The design considers factors like filtration, circulation, plant selection for both aesthetic and ecological balance, and the overall visual impact on the surrounding environment. It's about creating a miniature aquatic habitat that enhances the natural beauty and ambience of your outdoor space, providing a focal point that is both dynamic and serene. The objective is to achieve a balanced and self-sustaining system that requires reasonable maintenance while offering significant aesthetic returns. Moving on to the advantages, the benefits of incorporating a fish pond garden design into your property are multifaceted, extending beyond mere visual appeal. Firstly, there's the undeniable enhancement of aesthetic value. A well-designed pond adds a dynamic and captivating element to any garden, creating a focal point that draws the eye and provides continuous visual interest. The interplay of light on water, the vibrant colors of aquatic plants, and the graceful movements of fish create a living masterpiece. Secondly, these ponds significantly contribute to a sense of tranquility and relaxation. The gentle sounds of trickling water, whether from a small waterfall or a fountain, have a naturally calming effect, masking unwanted ambient noises and fostering a peaceful atmosphere. This makes your garden a true sanctuary. Thirdly, a fish pond garden acts as a thriving microecosystem, attracting local wildlife such as birds, dragonflies, and beneficial insects, thereby increasing the biodiversity of your garden. This can be particularly rewarding for nature enthusiasts. Furthermore, ponds can actually increase your property value. They are considered a desirable landscape feature that adds unique charm and a sophisticated element, appealing to potential buyers should you ever decide to sell. Finally, engaging with a pond, from feeding the fish to observing their behavior, offers a therapeutic and engaging hobby that can reduce stress and connect you with nature. Now, let's address the practical aspect of making your fish pond garden design visually appealing. Effective decoration is crucial for transforming a simple water feature into a captivating garden centerpiece. Start with the strategic placement of rocks and pebbles. These should be used to create natural-looking edges, hide pond liners, and form shelves for aquatic plants. Vary the size and shape of rocks for a more organic appearance. Next, consider aquatic plants. They are vital for both aesthetics and water quality. Submerged plants oxygenate the water, while floating plants like water lilies provide shade and beauty. Marginal plants, placed around the pond's edge, blend the pond into the surrounding landscape. Lighting is another powerful decorative tool. Underwater lights can illuminate the fish and pond features at night, creating a magical glow. Accent lighting around the pond can highlight specific plants or rock formations. Water features, beyond the pond itself, are excellent for adding sound and movement. Small waterfalls, fountains, or even bubbling rocks introduce soothing sounds and help aerate the water. Finally, strategically placed garden ornaments or statues near the pond can add personality and define a particular theme, but remember to use them sparingly to avoid clutter. The goal is to create a balanced and natural-looking environment that is visually harmonious and inviting. To truly create a successful and aesthetically pleasing fish pond garden, certain items are absolutely essential. Understanding these components will help you plan and execute your design effectively. The most fundamental item is a durable pond liner, typically made of EPDM rubber, which provides the waterproof barrier. This is critical for preventing water loss. Next, a reliable filtration system is paramount. This includes a mechanical filter to remove solid debris and a biological filter to break down harmful compounds, ensuring clear and healthy water for your fish. A robust pond pump is also non-negotiable. This powers your filtration system and any water features, maintaining circulation and oxygenation. Submersible pumps are common for smaller ponds, while external pumps are often used for larger setups. Proper aeration is also crucial for fish health, especially in warmer climates or heavily stocked ponds. This can be achieved through air pumps with air stones or by incorporating waterfalls and fountains that naturally agitate the water surface. Lastly, consider specific aquatic plant baskets or containers. These allow you to control the growth of your plants and make maintenance easier, preventing them from spreading too aggressively. These items form the backbone of a functional and beautiful fish pond garden. Now, let's explore inspiring 10 best fish pond garden design ideas concepts to spark your imagination and help you envision the perfect fish pond for your outdoor space. One, Natural Oasis Pond. This design aims to mimic a natural body of water found in a forest or meadow. It features irregular, organic shapes, with a focus on native plants, large boulders, and subtle waterfalls. The edges are softened with lush greenery, blending seamlessly into the surrounding garden. The goal is an undisturbed, authentic natural appearance, often with a mix of koi and other native fish species. 2. Formal geometric pond. In contrast to the natural look, a formal geometric pond features clean lines and precise shapes, such as rectangles, squares, or circles. These ponds often incorporate architectural elements like stone coping, tile surrounds, or raised edges. They are ideal for contemporary or classic garden designs and typically feature neatly arranged aquatic plants and often showcase a specific type of fish, like highly prized koi. 3. Tiered waterfall pond system. This design involves multiple levels of ponds connected by a series of cascading waterfalls. Each tier can have different depths or plant arrangements, creating visual interest and varying sounds of water. This is an excellent option for sloped backyards and provides excellent aeration for the fish. The movement and sound are the primary features here. 4. Koi pond with viewing window. For the dedicated koi enthusiast, a pond incorporating a reinforced viewing window allows for an intimate look at your prized fish. This modern design element transforms the pond into a living art piece, bringing the vibrant colors and graceful movements of the koi closer to observation. It requires specialized construction to ensure water tightness and structural integrity. 5. Bog garden pond. This design integrates a pond with a dedicated bog area, a shallow, consistently wet section ideal for moisture-loving plants. It creates a seamless transition from water to land, attracting diverse wildlife and showcasing a wider range of plant species that thrive in damp conditions, such as irises, marsh marigolds, and carnivorous plants. 6. Container pond cluster. Perfect for smaller spaces or renters, a container pond cluster utilizes multiple large, waterproof containers of varying sizes and heights to create a mini pond garden. Each container can house different aquatic plants or a few small fish, allowing for flexibility in arrangement and easy relocation. This is a highly adaptable and accessible option. 7. Wildlife-friendly pond. The focus here is on creating a habitat that benefits local wildlife. This design includes shallow shelves for birds to drink and bathe, escape ramps for small animals, and a variety of native plants to provide food and shelter. It often features less formal edges and a more naturalistic planting scheme to encourage biodiversity. 8. Japanese garden pond. Inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics, these ponds emphasize tranquility, balance, and harmony. They often feature carefully placed rocks, stone lanterns, bridges, and specific plant choices like Japanese maples and mosses. Koi are frequently central to these designs, creating a serene and meditative atmosphere. 9. Stream and pond combination. This design incorporates a winding stream that feeds into a larger pond, creating a dynamic water flow throughout the garden. The stream can be designed with gentle rapids or calm stretches, mimicking a natural creek. This adds an extra layer of movement and sound, connecting different parts of the landscape. 10. Illuminated night garden pond. While lighting is part of decorating, this design makes illumination a primary feature. Strategic placement of underwater lights, accent lights on surrounding plants, and even colored LEDs transforms the pond into a captivating spectacle after dusk. This design enhances the nighttime ambience of your outdoor living space, making it a focal point even after the sun sets. As you can see, the possibilities for designing your fish pond garden are truly endless, limited only by your imagination and the practicalities of your space. Whether you opt for a naturalistic retreat or a more formal, geometric statement, a well-executed fish pond garden can profoundly transform your outdoor environment. It's an investment in tranquility, natural beauty, and a unique form of living art right in your backyard. We hope this comprehensive guide from Homes Decor Designs has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for embarking on your own fish pond garden design journey. Remember, careful planning and attention to detail are key to creating a successful and enduring aquatic paradise. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home decor and design tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. We love hearing from you, so leave your questions and your favorite fish pond garden design ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.